How's it going, YouTube? GM Tech 26358 here. Haven't posted in a while, but I've been working on an EZGO and changing the timing belt on this Wisconsin engine. It's made by Fuji Heavy Industries, also called the Robin engine, 295cc twin cylinder, and this is in a 93 Marathon EZGO. And just to kind of clear up the method for pulling off the clutch off this tapered shaft, it's way deep in the hole down the side here. The clutch is 3/4 16 thread for the puller, and it goes all the way down. It's a long shaft all the way down to reach the crankshaft to pull it. And what I discovered is you can use a KD puller the Master Bolt grip kit, and the thread is the same size. The puller threads are the same size as the hub, and just cut yourself a bolt to fit down in the hole, put it on there, and crank away. I mean, it's tight. The 5/8 bolt worked really good. Just put it inside the hole, put the puller on there, and I would suggest the impact wrench. I removed my gas tank so I could get in there, and I used a strap wrench like this to hold the pulley, and I used my big 3/4 inch drive ratchet to take it off. And I probably had 250 foot-pounds on this thing before it actually came off, so it's tight. As far as the belt goes, very straightforward. You've got timing mark here on the top with this notch, and I have this belt guide on right now, but there's a keyway on the balancer shaft, and there's a mark casted into the housing right back there that you line it up on. And I didn't buy a new idler. The idler was fine. I popped the seal off and put some new grease in it, and now it's all back together. And you adjust your valves on the base circle of the cam to 4 thousandths. These are out of adjustment. I still have to adjust them, but just to kind of shine some light on it. Not really anything about this procedure on YouTube. A lot of people use the oil in a bolt to pop the clutch off, but honestly didn't want to take this engine out to do it that way. I guess you could use grease, but it's up to you. But it's not a bad job. It just takes some time to do it. Hope this helps somebody. Have a good one. Bye.